The Arizona Biennial was first organized in 1948 as the annual Independent Artist Show, and in 1951 as the Tucson Festival Art Exhibit. In 1980, the Arizona Biennial officially became a popular, juried statewide exhibition. These large group surveys provide an opportunity to see some of the most interesting new works being created in Arizona. Works are selected by a guest juror through an open call for submissions every 2 years. This year's juror is artist, curator, and educator Joe Baker, an enrolled member of the Delaware Tribe and the executive director of the Mashantucket Pequot Museum and Research Center. I hope you enjoy this installment of the Arizona Biennial.